with Sunshine's Original. I thought I would make a video showing y'all my lace storage. So I have 3 of these ladders and I have hung lace on them. Look how beautiful. So pretty. I wanted to be able to see everything and make sure that I was using everything. Okay, and then I have 2 more over here. 2 more. Let me show y'all the sizes. These 2 are pretty big ladders. So yeah, I just wanted to be able to see it all. And here's another. It's the same size as that one. I have been spending the morning organizing my craft room, and it's still not even close to how I want it, but it's improved. And because I don't have enough ladders, I've got this basket full of laces and such on these spindles. Full in there, and then 2 more basketfuls here, and a whole entire plastic container here. I normally use this plastic container for smaller pieces. Now I've got a whole entire canister here of little bits of pieces, but if they're, you know, if they're a good 5 or 6 inches or whatever, I don't want them in there. So that's mostly what I use this for, though I do have some full-sized laces in here because I have run out of ladder and spindle space. So I just wanted to give y'all an idea of how I do it. I need more ladders, but I think that the ladders are a wonderful way of displaying your laces and allowing you to see exactly what you've got. So until next time, y'all let me know in the comments how you store your laces or all your craft supplies. I am having a really hard time knowing how to put everything that's going to be the most efficient. See y'all later.